swapping the back off of a pack film pack. It's pretty simple. This is the Polaroid pack. It has the metal top. This is what you want. So basically, if you just squeeze on either side, it'll release, and you can just kind of lift it off. Get your Fuji film. Fuji film has a plastic top, which is what's keeping it from fitting in your camera. Now, this is protected by the dark slide, the film in here is, but obviously you want to try and do this in subdued light. I'm not doing it there because I'm trying to show you what I'm doing, but yeah, basically same thing for the Fuji. Kind of work it off, try not to expose the film. There's your plastic top. Pick the metal one. Fit it on there, and you're good to go. Just load it like you normally would. Make sure the tabs don't get stuck inside the camera when you're loading it, and you shouldn't have any problems.